Hi guys, welcome back to Chlorophyll classes. Today we guys are going to discuss the answer key for NEET code 11. Okay, so let's start with first question. The speed of light in vacuum is taken as unity. If light takes 6 minutes 40 seconds to reach the earth from the sun, the distance between the sun and the earth in new unit is. So the correct answer is 4, that is 400. For the second question, that is match list 1 with list 2, the correct answer is 4. For question number 3, the current I in the circuit shown below is, the correct answer is 4, that is 15 by 2 amperes. For question number 4, the angular speed of a flywheel is increased from 600 rpm to 1200 rpm in 10 seconds. The number of revolutions completed by the flywheel during this time is, the correct answer is 3, that is 150. For question number 5, for a simple pendulum having time period t, the variation of kinetic energy with time is represented by, the correct answer is 3. For question number 6, a resistor is connected to a battery of 12 V EMF and internal resistance 2 ohm. If the current in the circuit is 0.6 ampere, the terminal voltage of the battery is, the correct answer is 4. Now for question number 7, a flask contains argon and chlorine in the ratio of 2:1 by mass. The temperature of the mixture is 27 degrees Celsius. The ratio of root mean square speed of the molecules of the two gases is, the correct answer is 1. For question number 8, a ray of monochromatic light is passing through an equilateral prism as shown in the figure. The refracted ray is parallel to its base and the angle of incidence is this. The angle of deviation is, the correct answer is 3. For question number 9, again match list 1 with list 2. The correct answer is question number 4. For question number 9, match list 1 with list 2. The correct answer is 4. For question number 10, in the first excited state of hydrogen atom, the energy of its electron is this. The radial distance of the electron from the hydrogen nucleus in this case is approximately. The correct answer is 3. For question number 11, a box of mass 15 kg is kept on the floor of a stationary trolley. The coefficient of static friction between the box and the trolley is 0.12, keeping the box in stationary state over the trolley. The maximum acceleration with which the trolley can be moved horizontally in meter per second square is, the correct answer is 4. For question number 12, 5 capacitors of capacitance this are connected as shown along with the battery of 50 volt. The equivalent capacitance and the charges on each capacitor respectively are, the correct answer is 2. For question number 13, the amount of work done to raise a mass m from the surface of earth to a height equal to the radius of earth r will be, the correct answer is 4. For question number 14, each side of a metallic cube of mass this is measured to be 9 cm. Keeping the significant figures in view, the density of the material of the cube can be best expressed as this, where the value of x is, the correct answer is 4. For question number 15, the following plots show variation of velocity with time. A ball thrown vertically upward and falling back. Which of the following plot is correct? The correct answer is 1. For question number 16, the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy of a simple pendulum bob is 0.02 joules. The speed of the simple pendulum bob at equilibrium position is approximately. The correct answer is 2. In Young's double slit experiment using monochromatic light of wavelength, the intensity of light at a point on the screen where the path difference is k units. The intensity of light at a point where the path difference is lambda by 3 will be, the correct answer is first. For question number 18, in the circuit shown below, the voltage appearing across the diode D will be of the form. The correct answer is 3. For question number 19, an AC circuit of a resistance and a capacitor of this and an inductor connected in series, the resonance frequency of the circuit is approximately. The correct answer is 4. For question number 20, in interference and diffraction, the light energy is redistributed. If it reduces in one region producing a dark fringe, it increases in another region producing a bright fringe. Okay, so then we have a statement, that is, as there is no gain or loss of energy, these phenomena are consistent with the principle of conservation of energy. B, diffraction and interference are characteristics exhibited only by light waves. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. The correct answer is 3. For question number 21, for a traveling harmonic wave, these values where x and y are in centimeter and t in seconds, the phase difference between oscillatory motion of 2 points separated by a distance of 0.5 meter is, the correct answer is 2. For question number 22, the magnitude and direction of the acceleration produced in a body of mass 5 kg when two mutually perpendicular forces 8 and 6 n act on it are respectively, the correct answer is 4. For question number 23, consider two uncharged capacitors of equal capacitance. One of them is charged by a 100 volt supply and disconnected. Now this capacitor is connected to the uncharged capacitor. The amount of electrostatic energy lost in the process is the correct answer is 1. For question number 24, the power of a crane which lifts a mass of 1000 kg to a height of 20 meter in 10 seconds is the correct answer is 3. Next question, in a vernier caliper, 20 VSD coincide with 16 MSD. Each division of length 1 mm. The least count of the vernier calipers is the correct answer is 3. For question number 26, when a ruler falls vertically, 5 different persons catch it with different reaction times. What is the correct order of the distance traveled by the ruler for each person? The correct answer is 3. For question number 27, a uniform metallic wire having resistance 4 ohm is bent to form a square loop. A resistance of 2 ohm is connected between points B and D, and a battery of 2 volt is connected across points A and C as shown in the figure. Now the value of current is, the correct answer is 1. For question number 28, a room heater is rated 400 watts to 20 volts. If the supply voltage drops to 200 volt, what will be the power consumed? The correct answer is 3. For question number 29, a 100 turn closely wound circular coil of radius 5 cm has a magnetic field of this at its center. The current flowing through the coil and the magnitude of the magnetic moment of this coil are respectively. The correct answer is 4. For question number 30, a rectangular wire loop of sides 8 cm and 3 cm with a small cut is moving out of a region of uniform magnetic field of magnitude this directed normal to the plane of the loop. The EMF developed across the cut, if the velocity of the loop is this in a direction normal to the shorter side of the loop, will be. The correct answer is 4. Now for question number 31, 4 statements are given. We have to choose the correct answer. The correct answer is 4th. For question number 32, an unknown nucleus has a nuclear density of this and mass of this. Its mass number A is approximately. The correct answer is 1. For question number 33, Savita, 11th standard student, while conducting an experiment to determine the effective length of a simple pendulum, notes down the data of time taken to complete 30 oscillations as 60 seconds and hence calculates the length of the simple pendulum is. The correct answer is 4. For question number 34, an electric heater supplies heat to a system at a rate of 100 volts. If the system performs work at a rate of 75 joules per second, the rate at which internal energy increases will be. The correct answer is 4th, that is 25 watt. For question number 35, a thin wire of length L and linear mass density M is bent into a circular ring with center C as shown in the figure. The moment of inertia of the ring about an axis will be. The correct answer is 2nd. For question number 36, a galvanometer of resistance 100 ohm gives full scale deflection for a current of 1 milliampere. It is converted into an ammeter of range this. The shunt required is. The correct answer is 1. For question number 37, in a meter bridge experiment, the positions of the cell E and galvanometer G are interchanged. We shall observe in the galvanometer. The correct answer is 4th. For question number 38, the peak value of an alternating current is 5 ampere and frequency is 60 Hz. How long will the current starting from 0 take to reach the peak value? The correct answer is 4. For question number 39, the figure given below shows a long straight solid wire of circular cross section of radius A carrying steady current. The current is uniformly distributed across its cross section. The plot which correctly represents the variation of magnetic field with distance from the axis of conductor in the region is. The correct answer is 1. For question number 40, 2 statements are given below and choose the correct answer from the options given below. The correct answer is 2. Which of the following statements are correct? Choose the correct answer from the options given below. The correct answer is 3. For question number 42, for a metal of work function this, which of the following wavelengths of incident radiation does not give rise to the photoelectric effect? The correct answer is 3. For question number 43, in a concave lens, a ray of light emanating from the object parallel to the principal axis of the lens after refraction. The correct answer is 2. For question number 44, a submarine is designed to withstand an absolute pressure of this. How deep can it go below the water surface? The correct answer is 1. For question number 45, match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer and the correct answer is 3. For question number 46, select the reagents that reduce the nitriles to primary amines. Choose the correct answer from the options given below and the correct answer is 2. For question number 47, match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct answer. The correct answer is 4. For question number 48, consider the reaction and identify the correct option. And the correct answer is 3. For question number 49, match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct answer. The correct answer is 3. For question number 50, in a qualitative analysis, this is detected by appearance of precipitate. Calculate the pH. Okay. And the correct answer is 4th. For question number 51, you have to choose the correct statement. The correct statement is 2. For question number 52, the pair of molecules that are metamers among the following is. The correct answer is 4th. For question number 53, you have to match the list and give the correct answer. The correct answer is fourth. For question number 54, again you have to match and give the correct answer, that is second. For question number 55, the correct IUPAC name of the following compound is, the correct answer is 1. For question number 56, a bulb is rated at 150 watt covering 8% energy, converting 8% energy into light. If energy of one photon is this, how many photons are emitted by the bulb per second? And the correct answer is first. For question number 57, methane reacts with steam at this temperature in the presence of nickel catalyst to form. The correct answer is 3. For question number 58, compound P gives a red-orange precipitate with this reagent and it does not reduce Felling's reagent. On drastic oxidation with chronic acid, P gives an aromatic product Q that produces effervescence on treating with aqueous NaHCO3. Compounds P and Q respectively are. The correct answer is fourth. For question number 59, you have to match the columns and the correct answer is 2. For question number 60, the following two reactions give the same foul smelling product Z. So X and Z respectively are. The correct answer is first. For question number 61, the number of hydrogen atoms present in 5.4 gram of urea. The correct answer is 4. In question number 62, identify the incorrect statement from the following. The correct answer is 4. In question number 63, which one of the following is ambidentate ligand? The correct answer is 3. For question number 64, the correct order of increasing metallic character of the following compounds is, the correct answer is 1. For question number 65, we have to match the list 1 with 2 and the correct answer is second. For question number 66, although +3 oxidation state is most common is lanthanoid, cerium still shows +4 oxidation state because. The correct answer is fourth. For question number 67, you have to tell what X and Z are and the correct answer is second. For question number 68, again match the following. The correct answer is second. For question number 69, the functional group that can be identified through phthalate dye test is, the correct answer is 2. For question number 70, you have to find the suitable method that can be used for the separation of products X and Y. The correct answer is 1. For question number 71, you have to identify the correct statements and you have to choose the correct answer. The correct answer is first. For question number 72, during Lazin's test, the elements present in an organic compound are converted from. The correct answer is second. For question number 73, a solution of copper sulfate is electrolyzed for 10 minutes with a current of 1.5 amperes. The mass of copper deposited at cathode is. The correct answer is 2. For question number 74, at a certain temperature Tk during a process 500 joule is absorbed by the system and work of 200 joules is done by the system. Then change in internal energy of the system is. The correct answer is 2. For question number 75, you have to tell what is the order of reaction and the correct answer is 1. For question number 76, you have to identify the correct statement and the correct answer is first. For question number 77, you have to tell again what is the correct anion from the following and the correct answer is third. For question number 78, at 298 Kelvin, a certain buffer solution contains equal concentrations of this and the values are given. What is the pH of this buffer solution? The correct answer is second. For question number 79, you have to calculate the EMF of the half cell given below and the correct answer is fourth. For question number 80, you have to calculate the spin-only magnetic moment and the correct answer is 3. For question number 81, you have to identify the incorrect statement. So, the correct answer is fourth. For question number 82, the correct formal charges of 2, 1 and 3 respectively are. The correct answer is 2. For question number 83, phenolphthalein is used as an indicator for the titration of sodium hydroxide solution against a standard solution of oxalic acid. The color change that is observed at an alkaline pH close to the equivalence point during this titration is. The correct answer is fourth. For question number 84, you have to tell the composition of gaseous mixture at STP. The correct answer is second. For question number 85, you have to tell the major product Z formed in the following sequence of reactions is, and the correct answer is third. For question number 86, you have to tell the energy of activation for this reaction. The correct answer is first. For question number 87, you have to identify the reaction for which Kp is not equals to Kc and the correct answer is second. For question number 88, you have to identify the incorrect statement. So the correct answer is first. For question number 89, you have to tell the mixture of chloroform and acetone forms a solution with negative deviation from Raoult's law due to. The correct answer is second. For question number 90, you have to calculate X and Y and the correct answer is 3. For question number 91, you have to tell in angiosperms root hairs arise from which one of the following regions of the root. The correct answer is fourth. For question number 92, which one of the following the ovules are not enclosed by an ovary wall and remain exposed. The correct answer is second. In question number 93, in the lac operon, the Z gene codes for. The correct answer is 3. In question number 94, exploring molecular, genetic, and species level diversity for products of economic importance is called. The correct answer is 3. For question number 95, you have to match the following. The correct answer is first. For question number 96, the correct option is first. For question number 97, you have to tell how is the sixth extension which is in progress different from the previous episodes. The correct answer is 3. In question number 90, that is alpha helix is found in which level of protein structure. The correct answer is 1. In question number 99, the main function of bulliform cells in grasses is. The correct answer is 4th. In 100th question, the correct sequence is the correct answer is 4th, and in 101 question, the correct answer is 4th. In 102, you have to identify the correct statements and the correct answer is 2nd. In 103, you have to tell the correct answer from the options. The correct answer is 4th. In 104 question, you have to tell which of the following statement is not true about the universal rules of binomial nomenclature. The correct answer is 4th. In 105, you have to do the match. The correct answer is 2nd. In 106 question, which one of the following is a site for active ribosomal RNA synthesis? The correct answer is 3. In question number 107, you have to tell the respiratory quotient and the correct answer is 1. In 108 question, you have to again match the following and the correct answer is 1. In question 109, you have to tell the correct answer. The correct answer is 3. In 110, you again have to tell the correct answer from the options. The correct answer is first. In 111 question, you have to tell the incorrect statement. So the correct answer is 4th. In 112th question, you have to arrange the following steps of somatic hybridization in the correct sequence and the correct answer is 1. In question number 113, where you have to match the following, the correct answer is 2. In 114, which of the following is not a characteristic of plant cells in the phase of elongation? The correct answer is 4th. In 115, the correct answer is 1. In 116, the enzyme required for carboxylation in the Calvin cycle is. The correct answer is 3rd. In 117, how many ATP and NADPH molecules are required to make one molecule of glucose through the Calvin pathway? The correct answer is 1. In question number 118, which of the following floral formula is the correct floral formula for Solanaceae family? The correct answer is 2nd. Question number 119, which of the following is an in situ conservation method? The correct answer is 1. For question number 120, which of the following statements are not true regarding restriction endonucleases? The correct answer is 4th. For question number 121, in racemose inflorescence, the correct answer is 4th. For question number 122, you have to choose the correct answer. The correct answer is 2nd. For question number 123, you have to choose the correct answer. The correct answer is 2nd. In 124, you have to choose the correct answer from the options. The correct answer is 1. In question number 125, you have to tell heterophilous development in response to environment is an example of which of the following phenomena? The correct answer is 4th. In question number 126, you again have to tell the correct answer. The correct answer is number 3. In 127, you have to tell the evil quadrant of biodiversity loss includes which of the following? The correct answer is option number 3. In question number 128, you have to match the following and the correct answer is 3rd. In question number 129, which one of the following is a triploid cell? The correct answer is 4th. In question number 130, you have to tell which one of the following types of pollination brings genetically different types of pollen grains to the stigma. The correct answer is 2. In question number 131, we have to match the following. The correct answer is 1. In question number 132, you have to choose the correct answer, which is number 3. In question number 133, you again have to match and the correct answer is first. In question number 134, you have to choose the correct option, that is answer number 2. In 135, you have to tell which one of the following disorders is caused by substitution of glutamic acid by valine at the 6th position of beta globin chain of the hemoglobin molecule. The correct answer is 2. In question number 136, you have to match. The correct answer is 3. In 137, you have to choose the correct answers and the correct answer is 4th. In question number 138, you have to choose the correct answer, which is number 3. In question number 139, you have to choose the correct statement, that is first. In question number 140, insertion of a foreign DNA at BAM-H1 site in an E. coli cloning vector PBR322 results in the loss of antibiotic resistance towards. The correct answer is 3. In question number 144, you have to identify the enzyme class E and the correct answer is 3. In question number 142, the specific receptors for neurotransmitters in a synapse are present on. The correct answer is 4th. For question number 143, what is the probability of having children with O blood group where both mother and father are heterozygous for A and B blood group respectively? The correct answer is first. For question number 144, you have to match the following and the correct answer is first. For question number 145, which one of the following is not example of convergent evolution? The correct answer is 3. For question number 146, male frogs can be distinguished from female frogs due to the presence of. The correct answer is 4th. For question number 147, which one of the following species of animals did they consider to fit best with these characters? The correct answer is number 2. For question number 148, you have to match the following and the correct answer is number 4. For question number 149, you have to match the following. The correct answer is first. For question number 150, the WBC count of a person's blood sample is 8000 cubic mm. How many eosinophils and lymphocytes would be in the same blood sample? Approximately. The correct answer is second. In question number 151, you have to match the following and the correct answer is number 2. In question number 152, the human protein named alpha-1 antitrypsin obtained from transgenic animals is used for the treatment of. The correct answer is first. For question number 153, select the set of fishes which belong to the class Oisido. For question number 153, you have to select the set of fishes which belong to the class Osteichthyes and the correct answer is number 4th. For question number 154, you have to select the incorrect statements from the following and choose the answer from the options given below. The correct answer is number 2. For question number 155, non-membrane bound cell organelles found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells are. The correct answer is number 1. For question number 156, which of the following equations depicts Verhulst-Pearl logistic population growth? And the correct answer is number 2. For question number 156, you have to select the incorrect statements with reference to RH grouping and choose the answer from options given below. The correct answer is number 3. For question number 158, for match the following, the correct answer is 4th. For question number 159, the correct option is number 1. For question number 160, the 6th mutant codon of beta globin gene causing polymerization of hemoglobin and change in RBC shape is. The correct answer is first. For question number 161, choose the correct statement regarding muscle contraction and choose the correct answer. The correct answer is number 4. For question number 162, you have to choose the correct answer, that is number 2. For question number 163, you have to choose the correct answer from the options given below and the correct answer is number 2. For question number 164, the JGA is a special sensitive region formed by cellular modification in dash related to the same nephron. The correct answer is number 4. For question number 165, which one of the following is an appropriate example of sexual deceit? The correct answer is 2. For question number 166, you have to choose the correct option, which is number 4. For question 161, for match the following, the correct answer is number 2. For question number 168, where you have to tell the 23 and 24 chromosome bearing members in this species are. The correct answer is number 3. For question number 169, in which animal do haploid cells divide mitotically to produce gametes? The correct answer is number 1. In question number 170, you have to tell the correct answer. The correct answer is number 3. For question number 171, you have to tell what is the reason behind production of large holes in Swiss cheese. The correct answer is number 1. For question number 172, the toxin proteins isolated from Bacillus thuringiensis coded by which of the following genes would control cotton bollworms and corn borer respectively? The correct answer is number 1. For question number 173, ecological pyramids represent the relationship between organisms at different trophic levels and they are generally inverted 4. The correct answer is number 4. For question number 174, you have to choose the correct statement. The correct answer is number 4. In question number 175, you have to choose the correct answer from the options and the correct answer is number 4. For question number 176, you have to choose the correct option and the correct answer is number 3. For question number 177, where you have to match the following, the correct answer is number 1. For question number 178, you have to tell as such the evolution of individual species in this sequence of their appearances. So you have to tell the sequence and the correct answer is number 1. For question number 179, the flightless bird with 4 limbs modified as paddle-like structures suited for swimming is known as. The correct answer is number 3. And for question number 180, you have to choose the correct answer from the options given below and the correct answer is number 3. So this was the answer key and I hope you guys can match your answers with this answer key and you guys can know that how much score you guys can expect. So thank you everyone.